Guys, this video is about how to make a pre-recorded video, an existing pre-recorded video, how you can make that video to say anything that you want it to say in any language, okay?
How are you doing today, baby? I am making this video to appreciate you, more about the love I have for you, darling, and to prove myself that I'm not shy anymore, my love.
How you go fit make any pre-recorded video to talk and yarn anything where you want make yarn. I made mention that I was going to, that is already existing in my membership section, but I have not created it yet. And that is the reason why I'm making this video. All right. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can make a pre-recorded video to say anything that you wanted to say in any language of your choice. All you need is just add an audio to the video in the platform that I'm going to show you now, with the steps that I'm going to show you now, and generate the video, and the video is going to say what is being said in that audio. Now, please, this particular content is for members only. And please, my members are growing gradually. Okay, we have quite a few number of people, and I just want to appreciate you guys that are here, because, and why I'm making an exclusive content is because you are financing most of these videos, because most of these videos I pay, okay, on the platform so that I can be able to give out the information, right? So this is exclusively for only members. But meanwhile, those of you that have not joined the membership section of my YouTube channel can also have access to this particular tutorial. Is available in my online store. So the link to my online store and the link to join my membership section of my YouTube channel will be in the description below this video. And those of you that are watching my video, if you still want to join my membership section without going through the link, once you open any of my video and come down just below Hustle Money, beside Hustle Money, you see join. Once you click on join, it will now take you to where you can join the membership section of my YouTube channel. But if you want just this tutorial, it will be available in my online store. You can purchase the tutorial there, okay? And I will appreciate each and every one of you here to be able to drop comments when you watch the video in the membership section, and to tell me what kind of content you will like me to create, okay? What you would like to learn from me, the kind of videos that you would like me to create. I will appreciate if you can drop comment in the comment section in the membership video. All right. Now, secondly, I would like to once in a while come out live. Okay. But you guys have to decide on this platform. So I would like to see comments in the video, in the membership section. Tell me, when do you think will be suitable, so that once in a while I can come out live and we can communicate, because the live section, the live stream that I want to build on YouTube right now, or in so many other platforms, you can be able to call me on video, all right, while I'm live. You can be able to call on video call or audio call, and people will be seeing you and I while we are communicating, while the live stream is going on. So I will appreciate if you guys can come up with the best time, all right, day and time, which we will be going live maybe once in 2 weeks for now, all right, so that I will understand you guys better, and also you guys can be able to share with me the kind of content that you would like to be seeing in the membership section. So without wasting time, let's dive right into the video. But let me show you somebody sent me a video. Okay, let me show you the video. Somebody sent me this video. This is the main video. I would like you guys to watch this video, and I'm going to play the edited one, the finished one, the work I did for him. He sent me this first video that I'm about to play now, and I'm going to play the second video, which he sent me the audio that I'm going to put in this video, right, which I did. So let's watch the main video he sent to me, and I will now play the finished work. Then I will now show you guys how to do this stuff. All right.
I am making this video to appreciate you more about the love I have for you, darling, and to prove prove myself that I'm not shy anymore, my love.
So if you watch this video, you notice that this video has some background sound and the mouth was not really tallying with what the lady was saying. Okay, watch closely. The lips did not sync with the audio. Okay, and there's background sound. Let me play it again before I'm going to play the main one.
I am making this video to appreciate you more about the love I have for you, darling, and to prove myself that I'm not shy anymore, my love.
Okay, you guys can see that. Let me now play the finished work that I did, which is what I'm about to share with you guys in this video.
How are you doing today, baby? I am making this video to appreciate you more about the love I have for you, darling, and to prove myself that I'm not shy anymore, my love.
Let me play it again.
How are you doing today, baby? I am making this video to appreciate you more about the love I have for you, darling, and to prove myself that I'm not shy anymore, my love.
Okay, fine. Now, if you want to do this kind of stuff, all right, even if the persons did not speak English, what this person speak in the video was Portuguese, Italian, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, bring in the video. Okay, download the video. So guys, this is just what I want to share with you guys in this video. I will see you guys on the other side. Those of you that are interested in this particular topic, tutorial is available in my online store and also in the membership section of my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.